Just back at job, got lads making fun of me.
Hey guys, it's Justin from Airedale.
They love me, don't they?
Hello everyone, start to another week this week and welcome to Airedale Fencing. The weather doesn't look good this week at all. Absolute nightmare. In fact, as I look outside today, I'm almost glad I'm not on the tools anymore. But hey, that's up to the guys. They do a good job in all weathers. It looks good in summer, but sometimes you even get sunburnt, so it's hard to know which is the best really, but there you are. So yeah, we'll take you along for a ride this week. Hopefully get some good footage. I know we've got a few jobs coming up. I'm just trying to think what they are this week. I know we've got a palisade bolt down job. We've got some twin mesh at a hotel, and we've got a couple of timber jobs. So got a nice variety this week. So we'll take you along for the ride. So don't forget to subscribe and give us a like if you like what we do. Thank you.
Good morning. We're just over at Leeds Bradford Airport finishing off the timber barriers that we couldn't complete last week because there was still construction in the area going on. We've got here today, and yeah, they're still a bit behind schedule, but we're still going to do it anyway. See if we can get it in. Hopefully they don't knock it once they do their part. But I'll show you what the lads are on with and what they'll be doing today. It's not a bad day either. Like, meant to be a storm and blue skies, sun's out. Shouldn't have said that, should I?
In the end, the calling card of Storm Eunice was its devastating winds.
As you can see, this is the barrier that we did last time. And it was just to cover off the gap there. What they're having now is exactly the same as that. They're going to have it in two places just as they enter the car park. So we're going to have one going in here, going all the way down. The problem is when they fill this, we're hoping that they don't knock our timber. So as long as we get photos of what we've done, it should be fine. Yeah. All will be completed today. Yeah guys, catch you next time. Morning. So we're just over in Leeds at Britannia Hotel. Lads are just fitting some Twinwire 2 metre. We're doing around 35 metres today. They have been here before. Sorry, something's just going on in the background there. But they have been, and they have done already some work on this with the 2 metre Twinwire. As you can see, it's fully clamp bar system. So it's very strong, sturdy stuff. So we've done a lot of this on the previous job. We're just going to do another 35 metres today. Just removing their old fence as well. They're going to be removing all this wood here, what they've already got up. I think the clients actually requested to dispose of this themselves, so I believe they must do something with it, put it to some kind of good purpose. We'll be removing all that. So it should be easily done today. It's quite an easy dig into soil, so no concrete underneath. I'll be finishing off that today. I don't know if I'm going to get time to come back here and get some more footage later. We'll see. But yeah, for now that's it. As you can see, we're just going to crack on and do some hard work.
This is caretaker at Britannia, another happy customer. It's been
Give me a video. He's doing a video.
with yes, thank you. Some existing work we did there, sort of. We've secured full perimeter for them now, so we just slowly faded it in here where we did before. So Done all out front as well. It's last summer for him. 2 metre twin wire green. And down there, we did 35 metre for him, and then we've come back and done another 35 foot client. So as you can see right down at the corner there we did, so happy days.
Morning, just come to start a beverage job at Rodley here. Very windy if you can hear me, turn it around. So yeah, I'm just going to replace this fence here, sorry for the footage, but as you can see it's all ready to fall down is this. So we're just going to replace it with some 6 foot feather edge and the new gate. Just getting the client to move a car now that's just there. So yes, we'll crack on with this one.
So I'm just here in Puds here, lads have finished the timber job that they were on with today. Just going to nip to forge of hot wood, get rid of it, what they've been on with. She's actually asked for a gap underneath the fence for the cat to get out. As you can see, this was the problem that they were going to have. Looks like they've done a good job with the tree in the way. Looks decent. Yeah. Look at that. Can't go wrong. Obviously what they've had to do there is they've actually had to put the fence together and then you know, put it in because of the box and the tree, you know, kind of squashing it in. Well, it's probably took them longer than it should. As you can see, they're all off home now. Had a good day, got it all sorted. As you can see, all looks nice. Yeah guys, they're off at day. I've still got rest at day. Morning guys, so we just got to the job this morning. Lads have just got here now. Already spoke to the client and just let her know what we'll be doing and how we'll be doing it, so she's fully aware of what's going on and how we get access. I'll show you now what they're on with and what they're going to be doing first of all. Let's go have a look. They're just unloading at the minute. You see right there, this panel, that panel, and then around the sides. Have a quick look around now. All that side's going to be coming down, and then that corner, that fence, going to build a nice new gate there, and this side here. So what they'll do first is they'll fully remove all the old fencing. We'll get that taken away, and then they can start putting the new in. Should be a day job, easy peasy, 1 day job. As you can see on the last section now, touching rails, then they'll get the pails on, and then I believe they've just got Jamie to build a gate here, build it on site. Got all the wood, he's got all his screws, and then pail it up. Hi guys.
Hey guys, it's Justin from Airedale.
They love me, don't they? It's me again. Told you, I'll take it piss out of me. Mick out of me.
No, I've done a good jump out.
Shut gate, Charlie, please. Another happy customer.
Aye.
Putting the plants back, look. Getting garden back together.
Oh no.
Yeah, you'll be on video later, you'll be on YouTube.
Oh no, don't.
So that's another week done here at Airedale fencing. What a week it's been. Been some bad weather, as you can see outside. Literally storm, Eunice, Bernice, whatever it's called, battering us here in Yorkshire. We got through some jobs though, still luckily. The lads had to abandon ship today up at the airport. They'll have to go back there Monday and finish that, but when you see the footage you'll see why. Been a nightmare, but apart from that, all in all a good week, and we'll catch you later.